Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? I wondered if you all could do me a solid. I was going through my channel analytics and I happened to notice that over 81% of the people out there watching my videos are not even subscribers. I had no idea. Could you all do me a favor and please subscribe and help my channel out? It would really mean a lot to me and help my channel. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody. Now let's get back to today's video. Hi, everybody. This is Riff. How you doing out there? I got most of the upgrades on my new Ford Bronco done, and I was just going to show you that and do a little indoor and outdoor run with it. The only thing I haven't updated so far is the motor and the motor plate. Otherwise, I did do everything that I had. I did new shocks, trying to get this so you guys can see. I did steering links, the servo mount, the servo horn, the 5mm hex extensions, the diff covers, the rock sliders, let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. There was a lot of little individual upgrades, and oh, the tires, the metal wheels, and yeah, that was a lot of little upgrades. Like I said, the only thing I didn't do as of yet was the motor and the motor mount, and a couple of other little doodads that I had for that. But all of the other stuff, as far as the weights and tires and everything, shocks, all of that is done. You may have noticed on the shocks that I did them in the reverse position. And the reason I did that is because it's supposed to give a better, it springs these heavier bodies better. And I also experimented a little bit, like on my Gladiator. I moved the shock mounting positions to to different position, and I really like that. And on this one, I'm still going back and forth with it to see which I like better. But yeah, it's really cool. Really happy with the results so far. The little bit of extra width is nice also, since it has the wheel extensions. Okay, let's give this a little bit of a test run to see how it goes. Back in a sec. Hi everybody, I'm back. Just want to try to give this a try. On my little test rig here, I actually put a few more stones on it to make it a little bit more challenging, and it has been. You can really see those suspensions working nicely. Uh-oh. It is doable because I've done it quite a few times. But it is more challenging than the way I had it before. It's much steeper and much more irregular, which was what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to show the suspension's working better. You can see that suspension settling. Oh, there we go again. Putting all that weight on the bottom really did help, especially with this hard body. I believe for the most part I have counterbalanced most of it. It's going much better. Let's get up. Oh. Come on, boy. Come on, little fella. Oh! Just about. Anyways, I think you guys can see that it has made a tremendous difference. Whoa! Also, I really do think if I put that stronger motor on, it'll make a big difference too. I just haven't got around to doing it yet, but I do believe that that also will help. There we go. I know it can be done. I've done it even with this motor quite a few times. But this motor is stalling a little bit in some of the tougher areas. The servo's doing great though since I upgraded that. Get on up over. There we go. Come on. You can do it. Yay! There he is. Yeah, all right, you can see it. Good job, little fella. Okay, that's great. I think y'all could see that that really did make a big difference. Now let's take it outside. Hold on just a minute. Hey everybody, it's Riff again. Just got back in from giving this little guy a little run outside, and I have to say I'm very impressed. It's such a great running little truck, and the added weight really made a big difference, and it doesn't want to roll nearly as easy as it used to. It's doing fine with the stock motor, but I do expect that when I upgrade to the more powerful motor, the more torquier one, that it'll be even better yet. There were a few times that I noticed that it just kind of was, kind of hanging up a little, where it wouldn't have if it had had a stronger motor. But other than that, I mean, just for everyday driving, the stock motor would be fine. But I am going to go ahead and switch to the upgraded motor. So I hope you enjoyed this little test and upgrade, and checking out all the goodness of this Axial Ford Bronco, because it is a sweet little truck. It really is, and it's just gorgeous. And as I said before in the in some of the other videos, I really like what Axial did with this worm gear transmission, because it makes it so smooth on the bottom end, so nice and linear, and I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If anybody's out there, they'd like to swap stickers and get up here on the sticker wall, just hit my email up, and we can swap stickers. That'd be awesome. I also have a goal of trying to get to 500 subs soon, so if anybody can help me with that, that'd be really great also. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's going to be more to come. Got some great stuff coming up, as a matter of fact. Talk to you soon. Riff out.